For girls, bronze medalist from Magallanes Bowling Association, Noel Joy Campos. Silver medalist from Tibam Prima, Bea Hernandez.
Francesca Sahot, first place.
Merwin Tan.
Merwin Tan.
Champion and gold medalist for boys bantam from Tibam, Prima, and Batang X, Ivan Malik. Bronze medalist representing Tibam, Alisa De La Rosa.
Alisa De La Rosa, third place.
PBA, Bea Santarin.
Silver medalist, Bea Santarin from NTBA. Gold.
Hello. Our gold medalist for the rookie girls division from Magallanes Bowling Association, Andrea Laureano.
Si Andrea. Boys
Third
division
place
rookie.
bronze medalist from Magallanes Bowling Association, Brian C.
Sorry.
Our silver medalist also from NBA, Nico Cabasor. And our champion and gold medalist from Manila Tenpin Bowling Association, Brian Salamat. Representing Tibam Prima, Stephanie Ocampo. Also from Tibam, Anne Bernadette Papo. And our champion and gold medalist from Manila Tenpin Bowling Association, Marela Salamat. For the Associate Boys
Division.
Third place and bronze medalist from Tibam, Ariel Young. Second place, Lara.
MTBA.
Champion and gold medalist of the Boys Associate Division from Santa Lucia East Tenpin Bowling Association, Van Gambalan. Third place and bronze medalist from our host association, Alabang Tenpin Bowling Association, Janet Utero.
Janet. Janet Utero.
Second place and silver medalist representing Tibam, Prima, and Batang X, Francesca Sahot. And gold medalist from Tibam, Prima, Bea Hernandez.
Okay.
Third place
Boys Division.
and bronze medalist representing Tibam and Batang X, Miguel Cantorna. Second place and silver medalist for boys bantam division from Tibam, Prima and Batang X, Merwin Tan. First place and gold medalist, our first back-to-back champion. From Tibam, Prima and Batang X, Ivan Malik. I also like to point out that ang average po ni Ivan today is 205. And bronze medalist, girls rookie division from Tibam, Alisa De La Rosa. Second place and silver medalist from NBA, Magallanes Bowling Association, J.B. Ramos. First place and gold medalist of the girls rookie division from Manila 10-Pin Bowling Association, Bea Santarin. For the boys rookie division, J.D. Campos.
Boys Division.
Second place and silver medalist representing MTBA, Briar Salamat. First place and gold medalist of the boys rookie division from NBA, Ronald C. And high game of the day is Ronald's 247. And now we go to the associate division, girls. Third place and bronze medalist from NBA, Therese Magtibay. Second place and silver medalist from MTBA, Marela Salamat. And our champion, first place and champion, our second back-to-back champion, except that first quarterly, she was the champion sa rookie, and now she is the champion in associate. And representing NBA, Andrea Laureano. Next month, debut naman.